Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Walter. Today I'm going to be unboxing with you the spring FABFITFUN, and this is perfect timing because literally it feels like spring. Andrew and I went on a beautiful walk today. Oh my goodness, my heart just felt fully alive, and I keep saying like we made it through another winter, because winter, at least in the Toronto area, which it's like this most everywhere, but it's so dark and gloomy. I don't even necessarily care about the cold. I just miss the sunshine so much, Walter. I also thought, because obviously I haven't done a video in a little bit, to show you some of my monthly favorites. Now, obviously, I'm not at home. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, at Life of Laura-Lee, you will see we are completely, again, gutting our place, minus the kitchen. All the floors are getting redone. Both of our bathrooms are being redone. We have a lot going on over there. So we are not at home. That is the change of scenery, but I digress. Moving in, so I'm gonna show you the FABFITFUN box and some of my monthly favorites. So let's just start unboxing. Oh. We've got the top open, so here we are. Ooh, there's some stickers. Those are really cute. Right off the bat, I'm just gonna pull this out. I have this umbrella from last year's spring box, so maybe I will give this to somebody in need of an umbrella. It's a really cute umbrella. I just never find that I use umbrellas. The Shoshona umbrella is $40. This feels like a very light box. Not that I'm complaining. I kind of don't need more stuff. And Walter, get away! Get away! Okay, but maybe it's, ooh, okay. Let's just open this. This is Pro Brush Essential Kit. Okay, I take this back. It's a great box. It may be light in weight, but it's heavy in impact. So this is by Billion Dollar Brows. This is a 6-piece Pro Brush Essential Kit. Charcoal infused bristles for an antimicrobial effect. Ooh, I love getting brushes. For some reason, like, to me, brushes are my favorite. Okay, so we have like a little, there we go, one. Then we have a contour brush. They feel very, very soft. Am I in focus? Oh my gosh, a leaf just flew across the window, and it was a big leaf, and I don't know what I thought it was. Oh, this is a foundation brush. Then we have a nice, this says it's a highlighter brush, but I'm gonna guess it's like highlighter for the eyes. Oh gosh. Next we have, right on here, it says tweezers with a pouch. You get this really nice pair of tweezers with a little pouch to, ah! What was that? Walter! There's no one out there. Oh my gosh. Andrew? Yeah? Can you take Walter? He's like right beside the camera, and he like barked and I screamed. Then we have the Verso Super Eye Serum. I have never heard of this. I've never heard of this brand. Verso Skincare from Stockholm with Retinol 8. I need some new eye serum. I have the Drunk Elephant Vitamin C, which I think is a good day serum. This might be a good night serum. The only thing with retinol is you have to be careful about sun exposure. This is $65. So yeah, energized, tired skin around the eyes and target signs of aging with retinol. Cool. I've actually never used a retinol product, been wanting to, so it's great. This looks interesting. Hair scarf set. Ooh, so cute. Oh, so pretty. this hair scarf. So I imagine you can use this for many different things. You could use this for like tying up your hair. You could use this for sleeping, but I shall read. Oh, cute. Okay, so it says, these super soft scarves can be wrapped around your ponytail or bun, or you can tie them onto your handbag as an accessory. I love this. I mean, obviously not like this, but like you could do something cute. I don't know. This is $30. I more so look for like the clearance section hair scarves, or, you know, when you're at checkout and you see one for like $7, but $15 a scarf. Pretty pricey, but I'm sure that they're worth it, and they're very cute. Next, we have this from Say Hello, and they are reusable rounds. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're so soft. If they're for taking off your makeup. So these are for your makeup. Awesome. I actually love this. This is going to go really great with one of my favorite products that I can't wait to show you. And they are $15 for a pack of 3. Next, we have SFG's Glow Suns Out Pouts Out Lip Mask for $16. And these are gold foil lip masks. They are for nourishing, soothing, kissable, softening lip masks. I don't often use a lip mask. I don't find that I have extremely dry lips, but it's kind of nice. I like to keep masks on hand. I sometimes will give them away, or I don't know, if I want to pamper myself. And then lastly, we have this moisturizing hand scrub, Elderflower and Raspberry by Humankind. This is what it looks like. I've never used a hand scrub before. Oh, and you can use it on your feet. So it's to soften your hands, feet, and elbows without drying them out. Shea butter, sunflower oil, raspberry seed, blah, blah, blah. Removes dead skin cells. And this is $15. Okay, now that we're finished with FabFitFun box, I'm going to show you quickly some of my favorite products I've been using for the past couple of months. I haven't done a monthly favorite. We're just going to call this my March favorites because I'm going to be using these all March, and I'm pretty sure I'm still going to love them. So starting out, the product that I've been using probably the longest out of all of these is the Viva Naturals Organic Jojoba Oil. I felt like my skin was really drying out, and yet still breaking out. So it was like that weird song and dance of being too dry but too oily. So typically I know that when my skin does that, I need more moisture. And I used to use jojoba oil, but my mom reminded me, she sent me this video of this lady who basically suffered from adult acne, which I have, and she used jojoba oil, and it was like, ding, why haven't I been using this all along? And honestly, if you haven't used jojoba oil on your skin, this is better than anything you could buy at Sephora or a counter. Like, this really does everything, and you can use this on your hair, on your hands, on your face. And it says youthful glowing skin, shiny radiant hair, and it's 100% pure. It's golden and unrefined, and honestly like, you don't need anything else. A lot of times right now, with how dry everything is being the winter, I am just washing my face and putting this oil on. Now, I don't find it sits well under makeup, so I typically don't use this in the morning if I'm going to wear makeup. I actually will use this, which is one of my other favorite products. Oh, and by the way, I got this on Amazon. I will link all of the products down below. This is the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. It's honestly so beautiful, very iridescent. As you can see, I'm like almost finished this. Lovely, lovely, lovely formula, and a beautiful lavender scent. So I love lavender. If you don't like lavender, this might not be for you, but it's not overpowering, feels very natural, and it is just butter on the skin. And I find it sits really well under my foundation, I use a CC cream, so that has a slip and it's slick and a slick to it, but this doesn't really mess with that, and I like the extra hydration. I don't know, my skin in the past year and a half went from very oily to very dry, but I definitely want to get the full size. I got this in the sample for Christmas. Beautiful. It's a jelly moisturizer. Can't say enough good things about it, and I just find that it gives your skin this natural, like, dewy glow. It's beautiful on its own. You could literally, if your skin, you didn't care about covering up any scarring, you could wear this and you would just look magical. Following that up with all the skincare that I've been using, I really have found that my skin has gotten into a really nice groove. And this is an empty, but this has repaired so much of the scarring and the other bits of leftover issues from just my past, like from, I don't know, PCOS and just tiredness, dehydration. This is the squalene and lactic acid resurfacing night serum. Again, I actually saw this on a BuzzFeed article, and I saw someone's skin before and after, and it is true to its results. It's very pricey to buy the full size, so I bought the sample, and you only need to apply a little bit. I only apply 1 pump for my whole face. It says 1 or 2. You can do your neck, but it has so many like anti-aging properties. It has like, it's good for acne, scarring, all of that stuff. So I find that this with the jojoba oil and just a really gentle cleanser is all that I need, and my skin has kind of found its groove. Really, really happy with that. Plus a lot of water. I can't ever underestimate the power of water. This next thing, I've only used it for a couple of weeks, but I've been enjoying it. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Hyaluronic Marine Melt Away Cleanser. Again, my skin being dry, I find that if the double cleansing really strips my skin and it feels tight and dry, this is like absolutely incredibly hydrating. It actually, to me, leaves your skin a little bit oily, which is fine because if you double cleanse like myself, I use this as the first step, and then the second step kind of gets that extra oil, but it's still being deposited in your skin. It's beautiful. The only thing I find is that this doesn't get off waterproof makeup, and I think it definitely claimed to when I purchased this. I wanted something that would be, again, hydrating. I didn't really want an oil cleanser because sometimes I find oil cleansers bother my eyes. Don't know why. This doesn't seem to bother my eyes. It just doesn't get the makeup off, so your makeup kind of slicks around. But what I find is if I take a little drop of it onto like a little cotton pad or something and then remove it, it works really well. But I find when you mix it with the water, it doesn't get off the mascara and stuff like that. But I still love it. It doesn't leave anything on my face. So when I go to wipe my face, everything is pretty much gone. Not cheap, but again, with my skin changing to be more drying, I want to invest in things that are hydrating and really good and juicy for my skin. Walter, what are you doing up there? Walter, get down. Okay, a couple more things to go. I'm last on the bandwagon, but I tried it this month. This is a mini. This is the Laneige sleeping mask. It's very beautiful, very hydrating. I'm wearing this right now. It's lovely. Lovely formula, lovely scent. I use this all day. I think sleeping mask is a little too, it's pigeonholes this product. I think you can use this all the time. When I bought it because I thought you just could only put this on before you went to bed, but it's really nice, very hydrating. So if you're looking for something, especially for the winter, for your lips, definitely try this out. Last 2 products are hair products. This one is a fan favorite of mine. I've used this for years, but I still thought I would share. This is the Way hair oil. If it'll focus. It is beautiful. It smells so good. I just take a little pump every morning and I just kind of work it through. I don't wash my hair every day, but I find that as the week goes on, my root gets oily, but my ends feel a little bit dry, and this just refreshes it, and it gives your hair such a nice floral fresh scent. And then my very, very, very top favorite product right now is this Briogeo Blossom and Bloom. This is an accident purchase. I thought it was something else, but this is a ginseng biotin volumizing root powder. It actually functions like a dry shampoo. There is no pump. It's just a kind of like a baby powder style thing, and it really lifts the roots. Now, if you don't like that gritty feeling of powder in your hair, you won't like this. It took me a while. I don't tend to like this feeling, but I cannot believe how well this absorbs all the oil. Like, I literally went a week without washing my hair. I still showered, and I could not believe that my hair looked so fresh. I just sometimes like to wash my hair and get some conditioner on the ends, but it's really good. No scent, which, sorry, my camera just died. As I was talking about this, so no scent, which I appreciate. It's a beautiful, like, powdery light formula, really absorbs and lifts the root. I don't know how this would work if you have dark hair, but it doesn't, I don't know. I put it in a little, like, lightly. My hair is really fresh, so it doesn't have a ton of like lift, and I only put a tiny bit to dry it out. But anyways, that is all. I'm going to end the video here because it's very long. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video. Bye.